How to fix live wallpaper not supported on TikTok. So if live wallpaper is not supported on TikTok, then what you can do is first open up your TikTok application. Once you open your TikTok, go for the profile, which is on the bottom right, and go for the upper right, which has that three-part icon, and go for settings and privacy. And here you can scroll all the way down and tap on report a problem, and under that you can choose live option, and then you can choose any option that you're comfortable with. So you can simply tap on hosting live or any option, and or any option related to live, and then you can tap on live is suspended, and here you can tap on no, and then tap on need more help, which is on the left side, and it will take you to the feedback page. So here you need to write that I'm not being able to have the live wallpaper on TikTok. It's not supported on my TikTok application. So please help me with that problem, and you need to provide your email, username, mobile number of your TikTok account. And once you've entered the information, tap on submit, which is on the middle of your screen, and your problem might be fixed. And that's it. That's how you can fix live wallpaper not supported on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.